The 2019 Ferrari 812 GTS V12 Spider. After 5 years on the market, the already iconic Ferrari F12 Berlinetta received its mid-cycle facelift in 2017. A comprehensive update with a fully redesigned exterior, the facelifted F12 also changed its name to the 812 Superfast and gained a larger V12 engine with more oomph. Ready to hit dealerships for the 2018 model year, the new 812 Superfast looks like a solid base for a good-looking and fast convertible. But will Ferrari build it? That's still up for debate, as Maranello has yet to say anything about chopping the roof off the 812 Superfast.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.